Like desert angels in Wonderland, handbags reveal themselves to those who believe in the magic of fashion. In Wonderland's desert, the Mad Hatter tips his hat to designer handbags, the true angels of eccentric elegance. In the sands of Wonderland, handbags flutter like angelic butterflies, bringing Alice like curiosity to fashion. The caterpillar might ponder, but even he would agree, handbags are the desert angels of Wonderland chic. In a Wonderland desert, the Queen of Hearts would decree handbags as the angelic epitome of style. Handbags are the Cheshire Cat grins of the fashion world, desert angels with a touch of Wonderland magic. Designer handbags sparkle like the angelic treasures the White Rabbit would adore. Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey gals and guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Mad Hatter. I hope everybody is having a wonderful 4th of July holiday, staying safe, and also having a good time as well. Today, y'all, I have a review on this really nice bag that I got. It was gifted to me by a really special person, and this is going to be a bag from Naomi Creations. She is an artisan that recreates and reimagines bags from dust bags of other luxury companies like Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, etc., etc. But I do want to show off this bag to y'all. It's a really beautiful bag, and she takes her time and is very creative with these bags and really works hard on them. They're all hand stitched and very good quality bags, and they're also affordably priced, so they're not thousands of dollars like some of these big luxuries, but you can still kind of get the look without paying that price. So I wanted to show off Naomi's creation that she sent me. It's really beautiful, so I can't wait to do that. Before I do that though, I do want to say thanks to all of my subscribers. If you're not subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, please go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, please hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have Rumble as well. Now I do post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page if you want to follow me there as well. And for everything else Mad Hatter, please go ahead and follow me on my Direct Me. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find it there and some other good information as well. With all that being said, if you could just stop one moment before you leave, if you like my video, and please give it a thumbs up for a like. It does help my channel to grow, and I do appreciate each and every thumbs up from y'all. Let's go ahead. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Naomi Crafted and Naomi J. She is a really wonderful person, and she's also a mother. So after I tell you a little bit about Naomi and her website and her beautiful creations and bags, I'll come back and we'll unbox my bag, and I'll show you some details of the bag that she sent me. It's really nice. So let me go ahead and tell you about Naomi and her website and her beautiful creations.
This is Naomi J from NaomiCrafted.com, and y'all, she uses these authentic dust bags from these other luxury items, and she creates her own creations of reimagined luxury. She works on these in her workshop, where she hand stitches each bag to perfection. Naomi has such a keen eye for style and creation. I just love some of her bags. And you can really tell that she puts her heart and soul into her work as she crafts these bags. When Naomi's not working hard at her handbags, she also finds time to be a mother. Let's look at some of her creations. This is some from her Hermes collection, where she has used Hermes dust bags to make these beautiful bags and accessories. Just look at some of these beautiful creations. Here you'll see some of her Louis Vuitton inspired creations using dust bags and other articles. I just think they're all beautiful. This is some of the work she's done and created some Chanel creations as well with parts of Chanel bags. And this is some of the Dior bags that she's made. Naomi also makes custom creations for her clients, so if you're interested in that, just contact her.
Alright y'all, now that you have learned all that information about this wonderful artisan Naomi J, let's go ahead and unbox the bag that she sent me, okay? And this bag, y'all, is going to be called the Upcycled Hermes Dust Bag. When she sends the bag, it will come in a cardboard box like this. The shipping on it is very fast, maybe 1 to 2 weeks, so it was very fast getting here, and it's As you can see, the box is in really good shape, no damage or anything on it. So let's unbox it and see what she sent me. Now I've already unboxed this one time, so I'm just gonna pop it back open for y'all. I just wanted y'all to see how the bag actually came packaged in this box here. And there is the bag down in there. She sends it in this nice dust bag. Okay, and then that is it. Let me show you the little dust bag that it comes in. It's just a plastic dust bag here like this. Okay, and then the bag is in the inside there. Look at it, oh my gosh. So nice. Let me take it out and show you some details of it here. Alright, so that's the little bag it comes in. But it does protect it, and you have another bag to put it in. And I left everything on this little bag so I could show you exactly how it came. Okay, so here it is. And I'll go over some details of it and tell you a little bit about the bag here. But it's very beautiful. Let me go in and I'll do a 360. I left all of the stuff on there so you can see how it came. The protective plastic and everything is still on the bag. Here's the back of it. The other side, and it also has tiny little feet on the bottom. I just love that. Alright, and then there is the Hermes on the front. That is an actual dust bag, an authentic dust bag from Hermes that she makes these out of. Alright, and then there's the top part. Very nice zipper on it. Alright y'all, let me tell you some details about this beautiful upcycled Hermes dust bag handbag from Naomi Creations. This upcycled Hermes handbag embodies the blend of sustainable fashion and luxury. The classic Hermes branding and premium leather accents make it a standout piece, perfect for elevating any outfit. Ideal for both everyday use and special occasions, this bag combines practicality with elegance. These bags are made from the authentic Hermes dust bags, emphasizing sustainability. They do showcase the timeless Hermes logo, leather accents are high quality, and they add durability and a refined touch. The gold hardware, y'all, enhances the luxurious feel of this bag, and it also has a convertible adjustable strap that allows versatility when wearing. Now the dimensions of this bag are going to be, the width is 7 1/4 inches, the height is 4 3/4 inches, and the depth is 4 1/2 inches. The strap drop is 3 inches, and the convertible strap drop is 20 to 24 inches. So go ahead and check out this beautiful bag on her website, and also explore the other unique and sustainable fashion pieces that she has at naomicrafted.com. Alright y'all, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take off all of the protective stuff on this bag here so that we can really get into some of the details on it, and I'll show you some close-ups of it, okay? So I'll be right back after I remove all this protective stuff. Alright y'all, I did remove all of the protective plastic from the bag so that we can see some details. Let's go over it once again here, and I'll show you the bag without the protective gear on it. There's your handles. I took those plastic pieces off of there. There's the back of it. And let's get in a little bit closer. As you can see the feet now. Let me get a little bit closer on the bag so you can really see the details on it. Like I said, it's made out of this authentic Hermes dust bag, and the quality of it really feels good the way she has constructed it and put this bag together. There is the leather accents on the bag, and she has the gold hardware. Now none of the hardware has any kind of logoing or anything like that on it. It's just that dust bag that has the logo. Alright, and then the rolled handles are really nice as well, as you can see. Get a little close up there on the glazing of it. Just a beautiful, beautiful bag, and I love the leather accents on it. And look at that beautiful zipper. You know I love a zipper. And it has a really nice one. The zipper pull is in gold, no logos or anything on it. And then you have your D-rings on the side there to attach your strap, which I'll show you in a moment. But just look at the beautiful hardware on it. She really, really does a good job. And all of the stitching, y'all, if you can see, it's all hand stitched, y'all. She does this by hand. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me show you the bottom a little closer. You can see that beautiful stitching on there as well, and the little gold feet on the bottom. Just really, really nice. There's the back side of it, and you have your buckles on the back too, and another rolled handle. Let's go ahead, let's go on the inside of it so I can show you the inside of this bag. Let's test out the zipper on it. Very smooth zipper. And then on the inside, y'all, you have this beautiful color. You also have a slip pocket in here to store stuff, and this really nice interior as well. It's like a canvas material in there, and then you have your actual leather lining on those edges there, the leather accents as well, so that's really nice. Just beautiful stitching and all on the inside too. So just really, really cute. I just love this little bag. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you the strap to it, okay? All right, and the strap comes in a little plastic bag here. Let me take that out for you. Here it is. This strap is really nice too. It's also made of leather. This is a treated leather, and you have your little connectors there. Doggy leash style connectors in gold. And then I'll show you some of the stitching on this strap as well. Kind of a thinner strap, but very nice. I just love it. And the hardware is really nice on it actually. Okay, and I'll go down the strap so you can see this stitch very nicely. And like I said, she makes all of this stuff by hand, y'all. So, and there is the buckle on it. It matches the other on the bag. You have a keeper on it. It just feels really good too in my hands. Okay, that is the strap. Let me attach it to the bag so you can see it. Of course, to attach it, you're just going to attach it to the D-rings there on the side. You've got one on each side of the bag. Then your other one will go here. And it is attached. And then you have your strap on there. All right, y'all, and so there it is with the strap on, and you have this long shoulder strap. So that really makes it convenient to wear over your shoulder. Just a really, really nice bag, and the strap on it looks really good too. If you're interested in getting this bag or any of Naomi's other beautiful creations, check out her inventory on her website. She also has Instagram and Pinterest as well, so check that out. I'll put all that information in the description of the video here with my discount code as well. So go ahead and just check out the description box for all that information. You can also find a direct link to this bag and information as well in my direct me. It's that first link under my YouTube bio, so go ahead and get it there. With that being said, y'all, if you haven't subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, please go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button for me. And if you like this video on your way out, please give it a like. I really do appreciate that. If you've been watching my channel for very long, you know I always say about the dust bags, it's just a damn dust bag. But y'all, with this, it's not just a damn dust bag. It's a really, really beautiful creation that she has made here. And I'm so happy I got it. Thank you, Naomi, for sending me this beautiful bag and sharing it with the world and all of your other beautiful creations. Until then, y'all, I'll see y'all next time. Have a wonderful 4th of July. Bye.